A dramatic cinematic scene of the Suzuki Hayabusa, black with gray decals, parked on a reflective wet urban road at dusk, under neon lights. The bike is in sharp focus with blurred city background, emphasizing speed and legend. Add text overlay, Suzuki Hayabusa Shapack RHS Edition, a side-by-side evolution image showing 1999 original Suzuki Hayabusa and the latest RHS Edition. Background like a museum or timeline chart. Emphasize the transformation in design and power. A close-up of the Hayabusa's 1,340 cubic centimeters engine with dramatic lighting, glowing heat lines, and faint digital performance overlays showing horsepower, 187 horsepower, and torque, 150 Newton meters. Background, garage or dyno testing lab. The RHS Hayabusa on a highway, motion blur effect as it speeds past 299 kilometers per hour. Rider in full black gear leaning aggressively into the wind. Speedometer HUD overlay showing top speed. Static pose of the RHS Hayabusa in a well-lit outdoor location, showcasing black-gray paint, decals, aftermarket exhaust, and LED lights. Background, urban plaza or custom bike show. Dashboard of the Hayabusa with a full-color TFT screen glowing in a dimly lit environment. Overlay icons of traction control, cruise control, ABS, quickshifter, etc. Slight futuristic vibe. Artistic close-up of Brembo front brakes and KYB suspension. Slight chrome reflections, with sparks flying in background as if braking hard. Add subtle labels on parts. The Hayabusa parked next to a standard 600 cubic centimeter sports bike to show size comparison. Add measurement lines or stats like seat height, wheelbase, fuel tank size as floating text. RHS Hayabusa parked at a car meetup with fans taking photos, and Rana Hamza Saif, silhouetted or helmeted figure, standing beside it. Instagram or YouTube social icons in background. Split screen image. Left side, bike cruising through busy city streets in daylight. Right side, same bike flying down an empty motorway at sunset. Rider posture and mood shift dramatically. Two-column infographic style image. Left side green with pros, power, tech, design. Right side red with cons, heat, maintenance. Centered is the Hayabusa with a neutral face. RHS Hayabusa parked in a luxury garage, surrounded by Pakistani currency notes, PKR, service tools, and helmet on the seat. Label saying PKR 4.5M, 5.5M. The Hayabusa riding off into the sunset on a long winding road, golden light reflecting off the bike. With bold overlay text, RHS Hayabusa, the legend lives on. Background of the RHS Hayabusa with YouTube elements, subscribe button, bell icon, thumbs up, floating. Rider doing a thumbs up pose. Caption, like, comment, and subscribe for more.